Welcome back. Your most requested recipe is here. Today we are preparing traditional village-style, stone-ground, all-free tomato chutney. Mint leaves help cool the digestive system, reduce acidity, and support gut health. Cherry tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and protects cells from damage. Place a pan on medium heat without adding oil. Then add the cherry tomatoes and roast gently for 5 to 7 minutes until they soften and release their juices. Stir occasionally. If cherry tomatoes are not available, you can use regular tomatoes and roast them directly on a low flame. Onion and garlic leaves provide vitamins A, C, K, fiber, strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds. Lightly dry roast the garlic and onion leaves until aromatic. Timur seeds, also known as Sichuan pepper or Himalayan pepper, are known for improving blood circulation. Coriander or Dhaniya leaf provide antioxidants that help regulate blood sugar level. Now comes the most important part, stone grinding. Step by step, place on the grinding stone. Half tablespoon salt. Coriander leaves. 2 green chili. Few Timur seeds. Half tablespoon jeera seeds. Mint or Pudina leaves. Onion leaves and garlic. Begin grinding slowly using forward and reverse movements. Apply gentle, steady pressure until a coarse paste forms. Stone grinding carefully preserves maximum nutrition because it generates very little heat compared to electric mixers. High-speed blades create friction heat that can damage heat-sensitive nutrients like vitamin C and certain antioxidants. Next, add the cooled roasted tomatoes and grind to your desired consistency. Do not overgrind. A slightly coarse texture supports better digestion and maintains fiber integrity. Stone grinding crushes ingredients slowly, similar to natural chewing, instead of cutting them sharply. This helps retain fiber structure, essential oils, and plant enzymes. The aroma remains fresh because the natural oils from herbs are preserved rather than overheated. Once ground, transfer immediately to a serving bowl. Avoid storing in metal containers for long periods, as prolonged air exposure may reduce freshness. Your fresh, all-free, stone-ground tomato chutney is ready. This chutney is light, fresh, and far healthier than processed sauces. It can be enjoyed daily with rice, roti, dosa, idli, millet dishes, or even as a natural spread. It supports digestion, improves gut health, boosts immunity, supports heart health, and provides antioxidants without added fat, refined sugar, or preservatives. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more family-approved, nutrient-focused traditional recipes. Happy cooking!